The next piece of technology that I'm going to be talking about is a website called GoNoodle. And interesting enough, I've actually heard of GoNoodle before back when I worked at a school that had younger students, but I never thought it was something that I could use for my eighth graders. But funny enough, I had students this year that asked if we're ever going to use it, and I mostly just shrugged them off because, again, just looking at the website, it seems like it could just definitely be for younger students. However, looking into it more and realizing my school's really pushing for social emotional and just giving students a way to unwind and kind of be goofy, I think is a good thing. So I think Go Noodle is something that I would like to incorporate into my classroom next year. Um, you can favorite videos, and they have different themes like Space Week, mindfulness. Again, social emotional is huge on this website. Some of the more popular stuff on GoNoodle, and you can just click on the video. I've never seen this one before, but you just click on it, you watch it, and just kind of be goofy. I saw this one up at the top. I kind of thought this one was funny. It's just get to dance. Again, tons of different goofy stuff. I could see myself using this as more of a reward with the students that like this kind of stuff. Again, um, yeah, I definitely could see my school using it. A lot of social emotional stuff. Again, you can go into categories. There's curricular stuff. Um, there is mindfulness and social emotional, sensory and motor skills, and then movement, different types of dancing, stretching, partner up. I think the stretching one would be pretty interesting. Students here, in an ELA class, if I have a lot of material or something and we just need like a 2-3 minute break, maybe just watch one of these videos. So this is Go Noodle. I definitely think it's something I could incorporate.